Do you want to speak English confidently with your friends, but you don't know what to say? Don't worry. In this video, you will learn simple and natural English conversations step by step. Watch till the end and start speaking today. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Khan. Today, you will learn how to talk with a friend in a very simple way. We will learn basic conversation, real-life examples, and useful sentences. So let's start. Imagine you meet your friend after a long time. Hey, Emma, how are you? Hi, John. I'm good. How about you? I'm fine too. Long time no see. Yes, it's been a long time. Where have you been? I was busy with my studies. What about you? I was working on a new project. That sounds interesting. Now understand this. How are you? Asking about someone's condition. How about you? Asking the same question back. Long time no see. Meeting after a long time, I was busy. You had a lot of work. Now continue. So how is your day going? It's going well. I just finished my classes. That's great. What are you doing these days? I am learning new skills. That's nice. Keep it up. Thank you. How is your day going? Your current day I just finished. Recently completed. Keep it up. Motivation. Now a more natural conversation. Do you have any plans for today? Not really. I am free. Great. Do you want to grab some coffee? Sure, that sounds good. There is a new cafe near my house. Let's go and try it. Key sentences. Do you have any plans? What will you do? Not really. No special plans. I am free. You have time. Let's go. Start now. Now practice. Repeat after me. Hey, how are you? I'm good. How about you? Long time no see. Where have you been? I was busy with my studies. How is your day going? I just finished my work. Do you have any plans? I am free today. Let's grab some coffee. Great job. Now your turn. Answer these. How are you? What are you doing these days? Do you have any plans today? Excellent. You are improving. Quick vocabulary. Busy equals a lot of work. Project equals a piece of work. Interesting equals fun or exciting. Free equals having time. Plans equals things you want to do. Cafe equals a place to drink coffee. Let's recap. Today you learned how to talk with a friend, ask questions, answer, and invite someone. Thanks for watching.